What's up, guys? So, long time, long update. Um, got a couple of things done, I would say. We actually got the fourth gear here, the dogs, and the actual tranny. We got those refaced from Tom and NRG. So, tranny is pretty much essentially back together. This is actually my first time ever assembling a tranny. First time. And it's actually not hard, I gotta tell you. The biggest thing that I noticed, especially when you're dealing with a dog box anyways, you're not dealing with a bunch of synchros, you're not doing anything, all the shafts and everything kind of aligned, it's just assemble, but you just make sure you remember how you took it apart. All the gears actually just sit on the shaft. And for those of you that have never seen, I mean, these are not bolted together or anything, but when you shift, all it really does is lift, it lifts these forks. That's actually first gear right there going into second. That's it. Literally nothing overly complicated. Quite simple, actually. And the failure that I had last time is that these dogs completely rounded off. The dogs are cut at like an angle. So once the gauge, or I should say the gear, engages with, if you look actually, and these have just been recut. What happens is the dog engages with, the dog. This is the dog ring. Dog ring engages with the gear, and once it's engaged, it's hard to come out because they're actually cut at ever so slightly of an angle. But if they get rounded off, because you see when they engage, they touch each other. So if they get rounded off, what happens is that they no longer can hold. The gear can't hold itself to the dog ring anymore, and it just pops out. So every single time I was trying to go in fourth gear, the dogs would mesh. They'd pretty much just run into each other, and even when it did seat, it would just pop right back out. Towards the end of it anyways, it was just grind city. It was a mess. So I actually, even though I got that refaced, got a brand new gears here too, brand new fourth gear, which is dope. So my goal, get this trans together. If the weather's nice tomorrow, because the car's actually outside, probably gonna get this tranny in. If the tran goes in tomorrow, I'm literally just waiting on the head from Head Games, which I think I should pick up Tuesday. It's actually currently Friday, probably Friday now, so I got a little time to get all the other little things addressed. Once I get the head back, go straight to the dyno. Hope for all the magic to happen, and from there we should essentially start the countdown to where we load up and head out for the derby in May. So it's funny, I actually got these are the bolts for the shift forks. Got them drilled so that I could actually, when I pull the strands apart, every single one of these were loose. Every single one. There's 3 of these in a trans. They were all loose. So red Loctite, best friend, and some safety wire, new best friend. Yeah, come loose now, bitch. I dare you. So, that's pretty much it. Small update. Working on trying to get some more videos on the channel and whatnot. These are just personal videos. I don't care about all the theatrics, no entertainment. There's no music in the background. There's no nothing. All that's going on right now is literally a man on a mission from God, right? Blues Brothers. And just trying to get this together and go out and have some fun. Hope for the best, So, yeah. Cheers to trying to make this happen. By the way, this is a SQS dog box. So it's a company out in the Czech Republic. Also, believe it or not, these gears are also made by Kalmar, which I think a lot of the VW guys use, and a lot of Germans, like Euro guys. Been pretty strong. I haven't had any issues. The only issue I had really was rounding off the fourth gear. And you know what? I was using the clutch and I wasn't using the strain gauge. I have a strain gauge now. So I think that was a big part of that. So anyway, until the next video.